In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an appointment schedule using Google Calendar, ensuring you have a seamless and organized way to manage your time. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. It's a great place to start because it acts as a bridge to many other services Google offers. Once there, type in Google Calendar into the search bar. After the results load, click on the Google Calendar link to get started. Once you're in Google Calendar, you're going to look for the Create button on the interface. Clicking this will open various options you can utilize to create events or appointments. You'll want to select Appointment Schedule from these options. This allows you to strategically plan and organize appointments efficiently. Now, it's time to name your appointment schedule. Choose a name that clearly reflects the purpose of your meeting or the type of appointments you are setting up. This name will help you and others easily identify the purpose of the appointments being scheduled. Next, you have to decide on the duration of each appointment. Think about how much time you need for each meeting. It might vary based on the agenda, but a common duration could be anywhere from 15 to 60 minutes. Once you've decided, set this duration in your calendar. After this, you'll want to configure your general availability. Consider the times when you're typically free to meet and make sure to set this in your calendar. This will help prevent scheduling conflicts and ensure that you only get appointments when you're truly available. An important step is to highlight the availability you've set. You'll find an option to select whether these are weekly occurrences or are available on a custom schedule. This flexibility allows you to precisely tailor when you're available for appointments. Following the setup of availability, select specific dates and times for your schedule. It's crucial to confirm the correct days and slots so your schedule aligns with other ongoing commitments. With your availability set, click Next. This brings you to the section where you choose how and where you'd like to meet. You can select between in-person meetings, Google Meet, or phone calls. This choice will largely depend on what's most conducive for you and your attendees. Continue by providing additional details such as the meeting location, a description of the appointment, and any special instructions or information that might be helpful for attendees. Consider adding a booking form if you want invitees to provide extra information upon booking their appointments. This can be particularly useful for complex engagements where you need specific details up front. You also have the opportunity to define any payment or cancellation policies that might apply to these engagements to ensure that both you and your attendees have clear guidelines. To help ensure everyone remembers their commitments, set an email reminder. This will automatically notify attendees about upcoming appointments. Additionally, you can opt to send calendar invitations to participants so they can easily add the meeting to their own calendars. Finally, after reviewing all your details and settings, click Save. And there you have it. Your appointment schedule is all set up and ready to go. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial informative and helpful for your scheduling needs.